this side. Oh yeah. Look at the water splashing from the ocean. This is reaching Dhanushkodi. Vlog ആയി. അങ്ങോട്ട് vlog വെച്ച്. ആണോ? മൊത്തം vlog. ഒന്ന് പറയൂ നോക്കി. ഇനിയിപ്പോ ഞാൻ തന്നെ ഇത് അങ്ങ് അറ്റം വരെ ബ്ലോക്ക് ആയി കിടക്കുക. Okay guys, this is near Dhanushkodi. It's not at the tip, but we are getting a lot of water splashing from the ocean. There we go. You can see. Oh, it's salty. Okay. You can see it's windy. There we go. And the vehicle is parked all the way there. It's blocked. So we parked over here and we're just trying to enjoy this. It's nice and it's windy and cool. There. So there's the sun is over there. There. I'm all wet. Okay. I'm all wet. Yeah. Yeah, I got wet again. So if you get out of the car, there's no way you're going to be dry. You're going to be wet. It's that windy and the ocean water is just splashing. And if you look at, I don't know if you can see it because of the sun, you get more splashing over here. There. Yeah, all the way here. So people are coming all the way here and then turning around and then either trying to get a parking spot or go back because there's no room. If you look, you can see. Let's try to get there again. Be a bit more closer. So this is, yeah, I got wet again. It's a big dip there. Ooh, it's a salty. Yeah. Camera is all wet. Let me try to get it right up. Ah, there you go. If you can see it. There, it's a bit clearer. Until the next wave comes. There it comes. No, that wasn't a big one. Just waiting for a big one. I think that's enough footage for now. I'm just gonna walk over to the other side. This is being recorded on my mobile phone. I didn't dare take out my Osmo camera because that is not water resistant. so I don't want to damage it. Plus, it is salt water. So, there. This side. Oh yeah. So a little update from Dhanushkodi. Not all the way up to the point. We couldn't go. It's blocked. Lots of people. And the ocean is a little bit rough, and we get water splashed all the way over the retainer wall and onto the street, and I got wet trying to take some footage. The water is definitely salty. Yeah. So from Dhanushkodi, update. It's windy, so I'm losing balance as well. Standing on. Yeah, that's what I'm standing. Yeah. So if you're passing this way, definitely give it a try. It's worth it, and just hope that weather will be just as rough as today, or at least even more, so that you can get the full experience. Yes, I.